Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create new Facebook account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Facebook app. And then as you can see on the lower part, there's a create new account. So you just want to click on that. Then here, just click get started. Then here, you just want to put your first name and last name. Then click next. Then here, just need to put your birthday. Then click next. Then after that, your gender. And then here, your mobile number, or you can sign up with email. Then here, create password. Sorry. Then click next. Then here, if you want to save your login info, just click save, and if you don't want, just click not now. Then here, just click I agree. Then just wait. So this may take a while. So here they will ask you if do you already have a Facebook account. So if you don't have one, just click no create new account. Then here you can see to the next step by entering the confirmation code. Then click next. And then here you can add a profile picture, or you can skip that part. And then here, that's how you create a new Facebook account. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.